my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm running a secret mission, guys, in exactly how many days? What's the date today? Let me quickly check. In exactly 6 days time, it's Dairy's birthday, and I'm running a secret mission to just surprise him, to do a small and a surprise for him. So I want to quickly go look for some balloons, look for like some stuff that I can use to create just a nice little surprise for him. And he doesn't drink alcohol, so we're going to have to go with alcohol-free champagne to celebrate his 28th birthday. I'm only finding rose gold and silver, but not gold, like plain gold. I can't find the colors that I'm looking for. I'm only finding either silver or like gold, but only one of each, like either a 2 or an 8, but not both. I'm trying to decide, should I get this birthday one and like put it on the cake, because I'm sure on the cake there won't be like a little nice little thing like this one, but they're a bit too girly, huh? I think they're a bit too girly, I'm not sure. What do you guys think? These ones are very ugly, guys. Yeah. Let me just quickly show you guys what I've gotten so far. In the first China shop that I went in, I was struggling, guys, with finding like numbers that coordinate in terms of the colors, because all of the colors, I'll just get one of each color, like maybe like a 2 in a silver, but not the 8 in a silver. And then I did get like a 2 and a 8 in rose gold, but I felt like it was too girly. I felt like rose gold is a bit too feminine, and I'm sweating so hot in this car. Alright, so I ended up settling for this golden 8, and then there's this set here that comes with like a 21 happy birthday. So I'm just going to replace the 1 with the 8 now, because I couldn't find an 8 in gold. I also got these like sparkling thingies to put on top of the cake, and another set of balloons, so it's going to be a lot of blowing. And blowing balloons can be hard work, guys. I don't know how I'm going to pump all these balloons by myself, because this is a solo mission. I ordered cake for him, but the cake story is a very long story, guys, because I ordered the cake, we used the same account. Now to pay for it, how do I pay for it without him seeing? Because I had to pay like a deposit halfway. So I ended up just sneaking around, doing the payment, deleting the evidence. So I'm going to show you the cake when I collect it. It's a very cute cake, but for now this is where we are. Fingers crossed everything comes out marvelously. All right, and guys, if you're new, my name is yeukai.loreen. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys, so we need that watch time. Make sure you are watching. Watch until the end. Now I'm going to go and quickly do some shopping, and yeah, I'm going to keep you posted on this birthday surprise, which I'm very excited about. Ooh, I wish you guys could give me ideas. Like, I wish you guys could give me ideas, but you guys are probably going to see this when everything is over. Oh, guys, it's been tricky. I'm so excited to update you that I did manage to get some champagne for Dairy's birthday. But as you can see, it's the alcohol-free kind, so it's a bit anticlimactic. But anywho, if he is happy, then everybody is happy. And then I got some champagne thingies here, champagne flutes. These way, I think 30 rand, 30 something, almost 40 rand. Guys, my tummy is a bit sore. I don't know what I ate, but I didn't actually eat a lot today. So yeah, I have to hide this stuff. I'm going to put it in my satchel along with the balloons and stuff. Hide it, because he's going to be helping me to carry the groceries. So we need to keep the secret. But I'm so excited. I love champagne, baba. It's going to be going down. It's going down. Woo! All right, so I'm excited about that. Now I went into a shoe shop. I saw some shoes that were like on sale and stuff, but guys, my budget is a bit on the tighter side, Saka. I really don't know what I'm going to do present wise, but I just want to make his birthday special and to make him know that he's the one who makes the things to happen. He's the one who makes the thing that needs to be done to do. I'm so excited about his birthday, guys. Anywho, I need to be on my way home because How can I be traveling from town to home and it takes me 4 hours, guys? It's a 30-minute trip. Now, how do I explain these 4 hours? Now I understand his predicament on like our what was it, the engagement, when he was trying to get time to run around and put things together. It's difficult, guys. We're always together, so it's difficult to do things for one another because we're always looking for each other. It's just an advantage that I was looking for groceries also, so I did buy some groceries for the house. At least I can explain that I was busy buying groceries. So guys, now I need to quickly hide away the shampoo and the glasses. I really need to be careful when I'm carrying this stuff back into the house. I just hope they won't be curious about my bag. Yeah, I need to be the one who carries this bag. No one else is allowed to touch it. He can help me with the rest of the stuff, but not with my bag. All right, let's get it popping. Guess what just arrived? Look at the cake, guys. It's here. Oh, now I have to start the mission of hiding it so that he can't find it. So I'm going to keep it in my sister's house, and I'm whispering because he loves things. He might just ask, what are you doing? So I'm going to just quickly cover it up and hide it. I wonder, does it need to be in the fridge? Because the box is huge, guys. Look how big this box is. Whoa, this box is huge. So I love it. I think it's so pretty. Let's look at it again. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my word, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. His birthday is tomorrow, and I got some snacks which I hid, but then I'm going to do like a platter tomorrow, and then it's going to be an epic surprise. But let me just quickly go hide this cake, and then I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. So guys, I just decided to be extra. I'm going to do like birthday party invitations, and so I'm busy working on those, and I'm going to send them out. But I wanted to quickly show you guys what I came up with. All right guys, the invitations are ready, but I'm not much of a designer anyway, but I tried to just make it like really cool, and then I made like this faded image of lady in the background. So guys, today is the day, and as you can see, I haven't even done anything in the house. Nothing has been done. So now I'm on the clock. I need to rush, put everything together, and hopefully by the time that he comes back, because he went out with my brother-in-law, by the time he comes back everything will be in place. Fingers crossed. I'm so excited, guys. Hopefully everyone will be able to attend virtually. His family, some of them, I think, will be available to sing happy birthday to him. I know that he will absolutely love that. So guys, I need to get cracking now. So guys, I'm quickly trying to put together a platter, and I was looking for ideas. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I want to like do a nice little platter with the snacks that I got. I don't know if I can pull it off, but I'm going to have to quickly get cracking and try that now. So I've got this tray here. This is what I got. These salty cracks, Pringles, these little wispies. These ones are really nice. Grapes, strawberries, and some rosemary for garnishing. This is my second attempt at the platter. It looks more nicer on the white plate actually. Alright, this is what I've done so far. Now I'm going to add on the Pringles. So guys, the platter is ready. It looks so good and I'm so proud of it. I think it really looks nice. What do you think, Auntie? Hey! It's nice, ne? Nice. She's busy helping with the balloons there. Thank you, girl. Ish. Yes. Please. Alright guys, we're still busy trying to put the stuff together. Thanks to my lovely sister helping me here. Otherwise I wouldn't have been able to pull it off by myself. Here's the cake again. Oh, this cake. Stunning, 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 stunning. How stunning is this? I'm so excited. Now we're trying to stick up the happy birthday messages, but now The balloons are floating happily on the ceiling. One of them bursted. It's all over the floor.
What kind of English is that?
One of them bursted. English is not the mother thing. Yeah. So now we're hurrying to put everything together, but we're almost done. I'm so happy. All right. How far, aunties? Yeah, right around there.
Why didn't you tell me, my sister?
So let's keep it.
Get to work. Covered.
Ah.
That was nice.
Why does it feel to be so old?
I covered baby.
Well, I'm so sorry.
So
How much did you get there? You really don't know what to do with this. Okay, let's do this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Zairi. Happy birthday to you.
When do I start cutting? How do I cut? And how?
Anywho, it's yours. It's yours, Zairi. You cut how you like.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Hey, keke little.
Little, look at fans.
Slice on the baby. Is it nice? Ah, anytime is tea time. Anyone is tea time. Let's pop the champagne. Pop up, baby. Don't lose.
Wow, it's almost there.
Maybe it's because it's non-alcoholic. Yo, Nandi, what up? For the Nandi.
So, one love won't give you a good.
Remember, I invited.
No.
Party up.
No.
Not the invitation.
Hey, cake in Nandi.
No, when it is man,
Didn't know the cake?
You did the things for me.
Are you happy?
I haven't come in a bit and just one is never fresh on my birthday.
To me, I'm very fresh. To stay fresh. Then when this surprise happens,
when you stay fresh, no surprise coming.
you will be like us and surprise yourself. Ha! Exactly. Where am I message coming in? Sit down so that we can read for you. Despite my age, I'm old enough to confess that life is indeed a mystery. Every coin has two sides. Treat everyone in your life fairly, for we do not know what tomorrow holds for us. Life is a merry-go-round. No one knows where tomorrow finds you. Well, that's from father-in-law. And then a golgi, follow to me the video.
We're going to be cruising on your behalf, the side and big sauce.
Alright.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mama Bombalaza.
Wonderful video.
You are everything to us. We wish you many more.
We wish you many more.
Prosperous career. We wish you a happy marriage. Umzonhle yonke into itofashayira, itofamba madiri, itofamba all the way from Plumtree.
All the way from Plumtree.
So we're going to go do a quick photo shoot. As you guys might already know, my sister is a photographer, so she takes really dope pictures. So we want to go do like a quick little photo shoot with Zaidi at the front of the house with our floating barumas. You know, these balloons, they act like they want to leave right now. It's like they are really tugging. Now I understand those cartoons where you see something flying in the air because of the balloons, because they're like they really want to go. This is our photographer, guys, taking epic pictures. Please tell them about knitted cord photography.
Knitted cord photography is everything.
Yeah, okay.
Come and get your photos.
Woohoo! Yes, the gal.
Yeah.
Whom's the gal? I am the gal. I'll say it first time the time. Yeah, okay. So guys, the birthday surprise is over, and I must say it was absolutely epic. We had a marvelous time and it turned out even better than I expected, and it was just a great time. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Check out my business page, Wholesome Express, on Instagram, and find me on Instagram at yeukai.loreen, Facebook at yeukai.loreen. I love you so much, guys, for watching. Mwah, love you. Bye.